Good afternoon, students. Today we are see the final topic, final lesson, organization and population. In this lesson, we are studying abiotic biomes and population. The word ecology is derived from the Greek word, okay, meaning house and logos, meaning study. That's the study of the environmental house. It is included the organization and it all the functional process. It makes a house habitat. Study of ecology, different level organism is there, and community ecosystem, etc. Organization and its environment. Every living organism has its own specific surrounding medium or environmental with which it continuously infect and develop the suitable adaptation for survival. Okay, environmental is a collective term in which we include the different condition in which an organism lives or is a present. The common influencing factor in any environmental are light, temperature, pressure, water, salinity. This is referred as the abiotic component. So you know very well abiotic components, what is that, and biotic components which is that. Okay, so which temperature is very light and organization is a very important. Habitat is there, it is considered as the address of the organization. So based on in this lesson we already discussed in the live class. Why I am again you will tell that, because some of them I missed in this class, that only I can again in the record class I can send. Wind, humidity, this is relative humidity, attitude and concept of biome. This is very important. What is the humidity? Moisture form invisible vapor in the atmosphere is called humidity. Okay, absolute humidity is the total mass of the water. So relative humidity is the expressed as a percentage of the high percentage. Altitude, you know that it is animals are known as modify the response to the environmental changes is a reasonably short time spans. This is known as simulation. Note down, this is a 2-mark question. Characters of the biome, location, geographical position, based that only the character is there. And after that, biomes on the earth. So in that earth the tundra biome is there. So this is this is the biome of tundra. So in this place you have the taiga is 1300 to 1450 kilometer wide zone. It is a south of tundra. So how it is that? So look like it is a very grassy land, and this also grassy land. This place only we call as a tundra. So in this area is a long and cold wind. It is so cold. See, look this the picture. So how is it? Is very nice if you seeing this, because if we will when we'll move this place, it is a nice. Most of them films are there shooting in that place. The area has a long and cold winter. Summer temperature range from the 10 degrees Celsius to the 21 degrees Celsius. Precipitation ranges about 380 to 1000 mm annually. Important migratory herbivores included moose, elk, deer, and so this is moose is the animal. So elk and the deer and it look like a corn is present. Elk is a corn present in that. So moose is a reindeer migrate to the taiga and the tundra for the summer season. The common smaller mammals are the herbivorous squirrels and schnauzer hare. Hare, no, you know that, no. So it's a rabbit, and because we don't call like that, and this is the hare. Predatory pine martens. Important predators include the timber wolf and grassy bear, black bear, bobcat, and wolverines. So note down, this is tundra region. It's a 1-word question and a 2-mark questions also. They will ask important migratory herbivores include what are they in the taiga biome. Okay, so this is the taiga biome. This is a Conner Jara. See how is it is so nice. This is we called as the grassland biome. This is the grassland biome picture. Wow, what a nice picture is that. So in this picture, so see how the grasses are present in that. The grassland during temperature. So and this tropical region, they have a hot summer and winter and irregular rainfall. Okay, often are characterized by high winds, low irregular rainfall, and the factor which make the difference between the temperature deciduous forest and the temperature grassland. Herbivorous is like antelope, bison, wild hare, jackal, rabbit, ground squirrel, and the prairie dogs are abundant. Predators included coyotes, foxes, hawks, and snakes. In India, fauna of the grassland include elephant, gara, rhino, antelope. Flora of the grassland include the purple needle grass, wild woods, foxtails, and ryegrass, and buffalo grass. Okay, so this is what is this? This is place grassland biome. They look like the picture, you know that. Next, alpine biome. See, this is alpine biome. I can show the two Wow, it is a Tikkim. So this is the Alban biome. See how the snow is there. How the snow is there. So next he see this is a touch to the our gram. What is this? What place is there? Yeah, correct. Very good. So some of them saying if you are seeing that time, so it is a sky. It is touched the sky. Look like this picture. So both are together. We can see that. So this is the Alban biome. It is a included in the descending order the sub snow zone immediately below the snow zone. Meadow zone in the center and the shrub zone which gradually merge into the timber zone. So both merge together. The snow zones of the Himalaya lies over 5,000 handle above mean sea level. So sea level also touch in that. So the sea level it is higher than a mean sea level, and Alban zone exceed the height of the 3,600 meter from an ecological viewpoint. The zone above the limit of the tree growth, that is a timberline, is extremely environmental condition. If you like in our lifetime or your lifetime, we can go this place is very awesome. It's nice. That is the Alban biome. Okay. In the Himalaya characteristics of the sparseness of the animal groups, many invertebrates they are living in that. So ponds, amphibians, amphibians and vertebrates totally lacking in the repellent fauna is greatly improvised. Flora of the Alpines include the Alban Vasilia, pear, grass, bristol gone, pine, moss, gampium, polylepis. These and all. What is this? Yeah, plants. So beetroot and wild potato. These and are present in that place. Next to forest biome. So it is a tropical forest. It is a temperature forest. So this is the forest, normal forest. We can see that it is a lot of plants are. It is closely related to that. The occur near the equator, the major characters of the tropical forest in their distinct section. So in our that Karnataka, so that is very well Veerapan. So in that places they look like the forest biome. It's one of the example of the forest biome, thickest forest only. He lived in that. Okay, only 2 seasons are present. In the winter is absent. The length of the daylight is about 12 hours and various radius. The daylight is very low here because it is a length and that the depth and breadth and everything. It is a very closely related to that. The average annual temperature range is between 20 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Precipitation evenly distributed throughout the year with annual rainfall. How much? 2000 mm. Okay, now down. Soil is a nutrient poor and acidic. Decomposition is rapid and soils are subject to the heavy leaching. Okay, this is the forest biome. In the forest biome in the multi-layer and continuous allowing the little light penetration. So because no light in that place, so that is we call Tamil is attend the cardigal that place, and we didn't get the light from that place. Flora and highly diverse, 1 square kilometer may contain as many as 100 different tree species. So not only 100 lot of species is there, but it is a tall and with buttress trunks and shallow roots, mostly evergreen, white, large, dark green leaves, common vegetation are arched, promenades, vines, ferns, mosses, and palms. They are the characteristic by the greatest diversity of the fauna, which include the birds, small mammals, and the insects. These are all present in the forest biome. Okay. Next is seasonal distribution of the rainfall. Evergreen rainforest, no dry sessions. Seasonal rainforest, short day by period in a very wet tropical region. Semi-evergreen forest, longer dry session, upper story consists of the deciduous. Okay, moist dry deciduous forest, the length of the dry season is increased further as the rainfall decreases. So temperature biome, see it look like very greeny places, but the tree also present. There is a temperate biome. Okay, these forests, East and North America, Northern East Asia, and Western and Central Europe. Don't think about, we are studying in biology only because we didn't study the history. Okay, because this look like that, but it's a forest and plants. It's very important for this one botany students. Okay, have the well-defined session with a distinct winter, moderate climate, and a growing season of the 142 to 200 days during the 4 to 6 4. 3 months of the distinguished temperature for us. Annual temperature varies from the minus 30 degrees Celsius to plus other 30 degrees Celsius. Precipitation is distributed evenly throughout the year. Soil is fertile, enriched with a decaying litter. Canopy is moderate dense and allow light to the penetrate, resulting in well-developed and richly diversified understory vegetation and stratification of animals. Next, we go for the temperature of the forest. In that temperature of the forest is very important one. In this temperature of the parrot, and next we go for the desert format, and how there is a environmental rainfall. These and all we can see in the next class. Thank you, students.